So hello, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get your ChatGPT Pro for free of cost, and we can access ChatGPT Pro up to 12 months with zero cost. And first of all, you have to go to the Google and search for the ChatGPT. And if you see here, there is a interface and official ChatGPT from OpenAI. So click on that and log in with your Google account. So skip, continue, all set. So if you see here, there is a there is a button of profile, and if you click here, you will see options like upgrade plan, personalization, settings, help, logout. So click on upgrade plan. So you will go to this page where all plans are showing here, and so present we are using free version, so that is access for access to ChatGPT 5, limited files uploads, and limited and slower image generation, limited memory and context, and limited deep search. So in this ChatGPT Pro, which is, so if you see here, try go free for 12 months. They're providing this ChatGPT Pro for 12 months. So this is a special offer. And so if you see here, 0 INR per month, including GST for the first 12 months. You will get this access for first 12 months. After that, you have to pay 399 monthly. So to get your ChatGPT Pro for free, click here, upgrade to go. So it will take 1 to 2 seconds. And if you see here, there is a interface with you with my email. And if you see here, the cost of ChatGPT Pro is 0, and you can get this by using card or else UPI. So for the easy access, you can go through with UPI, and I will give my basic details. And so give your payment number and click here. You will be charged. So first of all, you have to read this. So this is about money, so we have to conscious here. So you will be charged the amount and the frequency listed above until you cancel. We may charge our prices as described in our terms. You can cancel anytime by subscribing. You agree to OpenAI terms of use and privacy policy, and you authorize us to store your payment method for renewal and other purchase. So subscribe, click on subscribe. So if you have to, it is mandatory to give your details. So I will give my details. So after subscribing, you will go to the direct for the phone pay. You will get a message from the phone pay. You have to directly click on that link. After subscribing, you will get a notification from PhonePe. So go to PhonePe and set up your Autopay. So let me complete my payment. So after getting payment is completed, you will come back automatically to ChatGPT interface. So it will take 1 to 2 seconds. So if you see here, you are now subscribed to ChatGPT Go. So to make sure that payment is done or not, so go to the Gmail which is you register to the ChatGPT. So they will send a mail, official mail. So if you see here, this type of message mail you will get, and it means you subscribe to ChatGPT Pro. So and the main thing here is you have to delete your auto pay from your phone pay, or else you will cut your money instantly after the 12 months. So I will show you how to delete auto pay in your phone pay. So don't miss this video from here. So this phone pay app runs in mobile, so I am currently showing by the mobile. And you have to first go to the phone pay app, which is you did payment from that phone pay app, and go to so if you see here, there is a search option, so you have to click here. So here home, search, click on search and search for auto pay. So if you see here, there is a auto pay methods, click on that and you will able to see here there is a payment of OpenAI LLC. So click on that, and if you see here, pause auto pay, so click on pause. To pause auto pay, there is three options: till end of the month, and till end of the next month, and custom date. So we have to click on custom date and scroll here years. So present year is 2025, and we pause auto pay up to 2035, and pause auto pay and enter your code. So after that you will auto pay each password activate. So this is how you can do this. And so this is the mandatory step you have to do after enrolling to the ChatGPT Pro. So this is for today. If you find this video is informative, do subscribe for more updates, and thank you.